Hello everyone, today I will bring you a tutorial on how to convert exported curves hair from UE5 engine into particle hair in Blender and conduct particles dynamic simulation. The core of the tutorial is to convert curved hair into particle hair with a length close to its size and simulate it in groups. Let's enter the tutorial below. First import the curved hair and head model. The curved hair and head models here are exported through the Groom 2 ABC plugin. This plugin can be found in the video introduction link. After importing the head model and hair into the Blender, import Python scripts. We select this Python script, drag into the script editor, then select our head model, copy its A, paste between double quotes in this bracket of objects. Then select our curved hair. Keep it active. Run the script. After running the script, at this time we go to object mode to see particle hair. You will find that the selected curved hair is converted into 2 particle hair. Similarly, we do the same for another curved hair. This conversion took a little longer, because the second curve has a large number of hairs. So here's the video is fast forwarding a little. Here is the principle of this script. It divides the curved hair into several curve groups with close lengths. These curve groups are then converted into particle hair. The length in each group will not exceed the distance max lens difference. The distance of max lens TIFF can be adjusted manually. Set to 4.5 here. Users can choose settings according to their own situation. I'll put this script in the video link. You can download it for free. Okay, after the script is completed, hide curved hair. Come to particle hair. We found that the curved hair just now was converted into 6 particle hair. We hide the particle hair in turn to make it invisible in the viewport. Just keep the first one for editing and visualization. We selected the first particle hair. Then enter the example hair editing mode. Enter weight drawing mode. Set the weight intensity to 1. Then enter point editing mode. Select all. Then click rekey. Set the quantity to 3. Because the hair is short here, so we don't need to set the number of segments too large. Select a root vertex. Then set the weight of the root vertex to 1. Timeline of dynamic simulation. The end frame is set to 30. Then click Bake. We'll find all particle hairs have been simulated. Let's add a wind farm. Simulate the effect of wind blowing hair. Set the intensity of the wind field to 20. Then add collision machine to the head. In this way, the hair and the head will have a collision effect. Delete the cache you just simulated. Then click the Bake button again. Simulate hair dynamics effect at 30 frames. You can see this time. Every hair is moving, and there is a collision effect between the hair and the head. There is no effect of hair passing through the head model. Similarly, we have other particles of hair. Do similar operations. I'll not explain much here. The video is played at twice the speed. The operation is similar to the previous first set of operations. One thing to remind you is, when you set the number of segments of rekey, adjustments can be made according to the actual hair length. For example, the hair is short, you can set it into 2 or 3. If the hair is longer, you could give both a 4, 5 and 6. If the hair is long, it can be set to 8 or 9 sections. The length of hair in each group in the video. The biggest difference between the shortest and longest is 4.5. So their length is close. So they can have similar number of segments of a curve. After each simulation, we can all observe the simulation's effect. If we find that some of the hair is not simulated, you can change the number of segments of rekey. For example, reduce the number of segments of rekey. Let all hair simulate. I need to tell you here, if you do not run the script for curve grouping operations, due to hair length derived from the engine, very different in length, if it is directly converted into particle hair for dynamic simulation, there will be some hair without simulation effect. Will not move. So the solution I'm thinking of is, divide hairs with close hair length in curved hair into groups. Then convert each group into a particle hair group. In group simulation. Then this is how the whole hair is achieved. All can perform dynamic simulation effects. If you have other solutions, welcome to leave a message during the comment period to discuss with me. The more hair. When caching, it will take longer. Since we did not downsample the hair, so you need to wait a little while the simulation. Okay, we've simulated each set of hair. Then we show all the hair in the viewport. Then play it together to see the effect. Overall, the effect of wind blowing hair is pretty good. Next, we add materials to the hair and take a look at the rendering effect. In the render option, change the hair material to the hair material we just set. Then switch to rendering mode. Change the rendering engine to cycles. Change background color to black. Then add a light. Here you can adjust the light intensity and light position by yourself. Find a satisfying lens perspective. Then render it. I won't show too much how to render. The tutorial ends here. Thank you for watching.